Hey everyone, Angelo is BehindTheVault.net. Today, I'm gonna give you an update on my PC points, how close I am to my 1,000,000 points for Christmas, and if I'm over, what my plan is. Let's go behind the vault. All right, so last Christmas, we did a video on the PC points and how to get $1,000 of free money towards Christmas just by using the PC point program. That link is in the description below. All right, well, I'm happy to report that as of the beginning of September, we're at 1.372 million points. So let's call it 1.35. I put on another 700,000 points since Christmas. So I'm averaging just under 100,000 points a month. So when we get to Christmas, I'm gonna have more than enough to take $1,000, which is 1,000,000 points, and use it towards Christmas. Heck, I'm even thinking that maybe I take some of that extra and use it for Thanksgiving, because I'll be hosting Thanksgiving and Christmas this year. So where can you get the PC points? Well, remember, any Loblaws store, so whether it's Loblaws, Superstore, Fortino's, No Frills, all those stores will give you points when you do your grocery shopping. There's also the Joe Fresh clothing line. That will give you points. There's also Shoppers Drug Mart. That will give you tons of points, especially with all the cosmetics. If you buy cosmetics, there's always bonus points for stuff like that. And finally, gas at Esso. So I know we haven't been driving a whole lot in the last year, but I think it's starting to ramp up. So remember, you're going to spend the money anyways. Find out, and it doesn't have to be the PC program, it can be any program, but find out ways to get a little bit back every time you spend. Get a little bit back, and then when a big event comes up, you can just go, there you go, it's done. Use your PC points and everything's free. All right, this has been your update. I'm Angelo Mancios, and you've been Behind the Vault. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below. Subscribe right here, and oh yeah, here's our next video.